Students, in this lecture, we will discuss the protocol or the procedure to perform the experiment by using the organ bath. Now, the first step is the system preparation and the setup. Definitely, the system will be prepared by switching on the organ bath and by attaching this organ bath with the chymograph. Now, firstly, for all this, you will make the PSS, that is physiological salt solution, and that will be placed in the tissue bath. And then you will heat the system to 37 degrees. You will preheat the tissue bath system to 37 degrees, definitely by turning on the switch. And that must be done at least 15 minutes before performing the experiment. Then you will connect the tissue bath system to the aerator as well. Definitely, after this, you will move towards the experiment. You will move towards the tissue preparation, that is isolation of the tissue from the animal. You will dissect the tissue from the animal, and this will be done before performing the experiment. Then you will directly immerse that isolated tissue in the PSS. For some organs, it is requirement that it is a relaxation that you can save that in PSS overnight at 4 degrees. For this, you have to maintain the temperature at 4 degrees. Then what you will do, you will place that isolated tissue on the tissue hook by holding the hook. Now, tissue placement in the bath, how you will place the tissue that has been isolated into the system. In this system, the tissue bath itself, is stationary. You have to pick up the isolated organ. Then you will attach its one side. You will attach the one side of the tissue with the hook, and then you will take a silk suture. You will use a thread and then tie the other end to the liver. And this liver will definitely have a pen on it, have a nib on it that will be running on the graph, and this graph is on the chymograph. Now, you must ensure during this process that this tissue is properly immersed in the PSS. Now, how you will administer the drug during the process? The drug is administered with the help of the syringe on the tissue bath. So students, this was all about the protocol or some common features that you must know, that how you will operate the student's organ bath.